Hey, it's Tamara T. I am going to share with you how to start a one-person online business that makes $10,000 a month. You don't need to hire any employees to run a successful online business. In fact, anyone can make money online, and I am going to explain to you the step-by-step infrastructure that helped me generate over $14 million in my own business. This is going to sound crazy, but here's what's happening right now. Someone just launched an online business that cash flows 6 figures per year using just their laptop and the internet. This required no team, no inventory, and barely any overhead. I am living proof that this works because 7 years ago, I launched this business and I made $32,000 on my first day. So let me explain to you what happened so you can fully understand how you can do this for yourself. In October 2017, I got fired from my 9-to-5 desk job. I worked a corporate job for nearly 10 years of my life. I did not go to college. I didn't go to university. Basically, after high school, I went straight to applying for a job because I had bills and I thought, okay, if I just try to climb the corporate ladder, maybe I will make enough money to support myself. Well, I was wrong. And I kept thinking after getting fired and laid off, after every single job, I just had enough. And I thought I need to do something more for myself if I want to live a better lifestyle. I knew that I wanted to get rich. I knew that I wanted to have a nice car. I knew that I wanted a family, and all of that requires money. Okay. Everything in life requires money, and having a normal 9-to-5 isn't going to cut it. So after getting laid off, fired in 2017, I went online and I looked up how to make money online because I wanted a lifestyle where I can just go on my laptop and work from home. That's all I wanted. And I wanted to be able to clock in my own hours. So this means not having a boss, not having an alarm clock, not being told what to do. I did not have the personality to follow that any longer. So I thought, okay, what can I do so I can live that type of lifestyle? Okay, if you are someone that wants financial freedom, time freedom, then you need to be doing more than just having a regular 9-to-5 job because trust me, you're never going to get rich by doing that. Nobody is, okay? After paying your bills, after paying for your dependents, it's over. You have nothing left. And after paying taxes, you can say goodbye to vacations. So that's when I came across a business model that required me to sell products online. I was shipping physical inventory to Amazon's warehouse, and they were shipping my products to their customers. This required a lot of overhead. It took a lot of time. It required a lot of third parties being involved, and it was not as smooth sailing as I wanted it to be. However, I was successful in my e-commerce business. I made $1 million in my first year. So that's when I developed a skill. I thought, okay, I know how to do this now. I'm good at it. I have lots of information to share. If someone can learn from me, then they can also build an additional stream of income and they can also become successful at it. So that's when I thought to myself, okay, how can I share this with the world? The easiest way to put the word out there is through social media. Okay, I'm sure all of you scroll on social media to find information, to find help with something, and to find someone who can teach you how to do something, right? That's the power of social media. You may be on Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform you are using to learn something from, that is shared value from a creator. So that's when I started my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and a Facebook group. That's when I developed this skill set that I knew I can help people start successful e-commerce businesses. So I started just making content, random videos. If you go back to my channel on my older videos, you will see how many videos I've posted about the Amazon FBA business model. I was teaching people how to start this successful business. And that's when I realized I can do this with almost any skill set. So it's not just e-commerce, but I also had some experience with Shopify. I have experience in having successful friendships. I have experience in fitness. And with all these skill sets that I personally have, I can share value and knowledge online and teach someone else how to do it. I can coach others on how to become successful at it. So that's when I knew there was so much money to be made by just having myself coaching others. We all know that businesses make money through exchanging value. The same goes for you. You, the business owner, if you are operating this type of online business, you will make money when you exchange value. So that's exactly what I did. I was sharing value to the world through social media. And there's no better and faster way to make money but by using social media, because this is how you can reach tens of thousands of people super quickly. All I did was create content on social media, teaching people how to start successful e-commerce businesses. And after a short amount of time, I got subscribers, I had followers, I had people emailing me, asking me to help them do this. And that's when I started to get paid for my expertise. People were watching my tutorials. They were watching my short form content on Instagram, and they would send me a DM asking me, "Hey, Tamara, can you teach me how to start an Amazon business?" So that's when I started my online coaching business. I was charging around $5,000 for an online course, training, online community, and I was doing weekly calls with my clients. So now you can picture how quickly this all adds up. If I were to charge $5,000 per client, it only takes 2 clients to get to $10,000 a month. It only takes 4 clients to get to $20,000 per month. And if you are someone that has additional time, you can easily scale this to $50,000 per month and even over $100,000 per month. I've made multiple 6 figures per month. Those were my biggest months doing this. So I'm not promising you that you are going to make $500,000 per month immediately. That's not what I am saying. But I want to show you what is possible when you start your own online coaching business. If you are a beginner, or maybe you are someone that already has an offer, but you need help with it, I want to invite you to my free training in the YouTube description below. Watch the training and you can book a one-on-one call with my team. So this way I can walk you through step by step on how to launch your own online coaching business that can generate over 6 figures and more every year. If you have a skill set, expertise, knowledge, and you are not afraid to be in front of a camera, then I know 100% you will make a lot of money with this. So right now, I want you to think about something that you are good at. For example, if you are good at public speaking, you can teach others how to build confidence. You can teach others how to talk in front of a large group of people. You can teach them how to influence others. Or maybe you are someone that just lost a ton of weight and you know the secret recipe to losing weight. You can start a social media page talking about how to lose weight. You can start attracting clients who need your help with losing weight. It's as simple as that. So that is how you can start a one-person online business. Now let's dive into the infrastructure so you can see everything step by step. Okay, so this is the exact system and the exact sales funnel that I used the past 7 years to generate over $14 million with my online coaching businesses. This goes for my Amazon FBA coaching business, my cash flow courses coaching business, and with my newest offer, the Digital Learning Lab. You can see if you click on the link in the YouTube description below, my free training, this is the exact same system and funnel. So the first step that you need to understand here, number 1, you need a landing page. So what is a landing page? A landing page is the first page your leads will land on when they click on your website. So if you look at my training in the description below, you will see my landing page. And on the landing page, I am trying to collect information. I'm trying to collect your name, phone number, and email. Now, the reason why I do this is because that way I can communicate with you, right? If I have your phone number or if I have your email, that's when I can start marketing to you. I may email you about my new YouTube videos. I may email you so I can share with you value. So that is step 1. So the software that you can use for this is either ClickFunnels or Go High Level. I used to use ClickFunnels, but lately I switched over to Go High Level because they just have so many other features that can help you grow your online business. So make sure you have a landing page that collects people's information so you can communicate with them. If you want to sell your coaching services, you need to be able to communicate with your leads. Okay, so now that your leads have landed on your landing page and they entered their name, phone number, and information, the next page is the VSL page. In step 2, this is your video sales letter. In other words, you are creating a video like this, teaching your audience how you can help them with whatever it is that you are helping them with. So in my business right now, I am helping you start your own online coaching business. And again, if you look at my sales funnel, this is exactly how I have it laid out. I have a landing page, and then on the next page, I have a video explaining how I can help you start your own coaching business. So if you are helping someone lose weight, or if you are helping someone find their significant other, or if you are helping someone with public speaking, then your video sales letter will explain exactly just that. Now, I am not going to go in depth with how to create the video sales letter because that is a whole video on its own. But if you want to see my example, then you can check it out using the link in the YouTube description below. This is the exact same system. Next is step 3. On the third page of your funnel, this is where your leads can book a call with you. Or if you don't want to do any calls with your potential clients, this is where the sales page is, okay? So after someone lands on your page, they give you their information, they watch your training video, they can either book a call with yourself, your team, or if you want to just go straight to selling a digital product, whether it's a course or a community or some type of consulting service, whichever one that you choose to do, you can go straight to a sales page. Now, I may talk about the sales page in a different video, but I haven't used that type of sales funnel in a very long time. In the past few years, I've always done a call funnel, okay? And by the way, these are web pages. So this is page 1, page 2, and page 3. Also, in step 2, when someone is watching your video, your training video, there is a call to action, okay? In case you're wondering, how do you go from page 2 to page 3? There is a call to action. So after they watch your training video, there's an option for them to click a button and to book a call in your calendar. This is when you talk to your leads on Zoom and sell them on your offer. Again, on the third page, there's an option with your calendar where someone can book a call with you, or it can go straight to a checkout page where they can just buy whatever consulting service that you are selling. So if you are someone that doesn't prefer to take calls, you can outsource this to someone, or you can go straight to checkout. So when I started this, I took the calls myself until I was comfortable outsourcing it to someone else. In the beginning stages, you should be taking calls yourself because that way you will learn so much about your customer. And you are selling your coaching services for around $5,000 each. Now, the price all depends on the value you are providing. I can do another video just on pricing if that's what you want to learn. Just leave me a comment below and I may just do that video if enough people request it. Okay, moving on to step 4, okay? If you can get someone to show up on a call, you are already halfway there to getting paid because none of this works if nobody shows up. You can have the most beautiful landing page. You can have the most beautiful training video, but if nobody shows up on the call, you are not going to get paid. This is why if you have someone on the call, you are already halfway there and all you need to do is sell. Now in step 4, obviously you want to sell something to your leads, okay? You want to sell something to your client. There is no way how you can help every single individual. So there is a sales framework and a process that you must learn before you just sell. I don't want you to get on the call and you start pitching your services like, hey, I'm having like a fitness offer and it's $5,000, you should buy it. Like that's not how it works, okay? I want to be very clear. I'm just letting you know the steps so you know what to expect, but there is a process behind that because not everyone needs your help. Not everyone is a good fit. Not everyone is suitable for your offer, right? So again, if you want to learn this, then I can help you. Just check out my training. Now, the last step, step 5, I have my notes here, and that is just delivering the results. After you identify the problems that your client is having and they are a good fit for your coaching services, now all you need to do is deliver the results. And you should be delivering results because you are the coach, you are the instructor, you already know how to help someone achieve something. And if you can do this, if you can deliver results, that's when you can ask your clients for testimonials. And the more testimonials that you have, the more people will trust you and hire you and pay you for your coaching services. This is how I was able to generate millions of dollars by doing this. It's just a rinse and repeatable process. And the beauty of this is I just need to build this system out one time. These are the three main pages, and I should also include the fourth page. I did miss a page here, and that is just a confirmation page. So basically, once someone books a call in your calendar, or if someone purchases a service from you, then there's like a thank you page that says, hey, thank you for booking a call, or thank you for your purchase. This is the Zoom meeting link, and it's just a thank you page. So I do apologize, I missed that step. And that's it. So this is it. This is like the infrastructure behind it, and you can make a lot of money with this. The only time you may need to tweak something here is if you find that your training video is not converting to calls. So I've had clients before where they create these training videos about weight loss because they're teaching others how to lose weight, but they would tell me, Tamara, I'm not getting people book a call. Well, if people are opting into your landing page, they're providing their information and they're interested in watching your video, but nobody is booking a call or nobody is buying any of your coaching services, then it's probably an issue in here, right? Like you just have to polish up your training video. However, I am confident that if you follow my training, you don't have to make many tweaks. Like I've been doing this for the past 7 years and I know what works. This has always worked. This is a multi-million-dollar system. So there you have it. This is how you start a one-person online business that makes over $10,000 a month. Remember, if you follow my process, it only takes 2 clients per month to make $10,000 per month. Imagine if you had a little more time. You can scale to $20,000 per month, $30,000 per month, and all you are doing is setting this up one time. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Be sure to share this video with anyone who is looking to start an online business.